Hey YouTube, this is Wii U Gaming Console I have here, and it's been trolling me for a little bit. So I'm gonna show you what's wrong with it and how I came up to this conclusion. So first thing first, you plug it in. As you can see, there's nothing lights up, no light. So first thing, checking the voltage on the power supply. Check and make sure that our power supply is fine. Okay, and our supply is fine, putting out 15 volt. That's what I thought. So power supply fine. However, when I'm connecting my DC power supply, this goes to ground, and here I'm connecting 15 volts to this fuse. As you can see, the light turns red. So there's nothing wrong with the board, it seems. I actually was trying to turn it on with my DC power supply, and it turns on. So you would assume that this power supply is just showing 15 volt here, but something is wrong, and it just not produces enough amperage or something. When you connect to it, it just doesn't work right. So that was my first thought, and I actually tried a different power supply. It does the same thing. So then I started digging deeper and hear what I found. You connect that back that power supply, but take a look. Let me disconnect DC. So power supply, connecting here. You start checking the voltage on the actual legs. So this is ground, this is ground, and this is positive. So 15 volt we have here in the legs. However, you go a little bit deeper, you checking now the voltage on the fuse, 15 volt. However, go back to here, and you check in here, take a look. See, it's 10 now. So now it's like nothing. So it's jumping around 10, 11, so just like bouncing around and stuff. So let me show you under the scope what I found. The actual leg, it's hard to see. Definitely you cannot really see it under with the naked eye, but under microscope you can actually see that actual leg. Turn this off. The actual leg is broken off a little bit. It seems okay, but there's a broken connection basically here. That's the problem. It's a negative terminal leg. The post is supposed to be going, that's a trace for it. So from this leg it goes right here and anywhere else. So there's a broken trace on a negative terminal, and that's the only thing that's wrong with it. So we're gonna fix that and see if it will fix it. After applying some solder on the back of the pins right here, actually you can see now that the two legs are kind of off a little bit. You can actually see that they're not sitting properly. Okay, so here is what I ended up doing. The positive terminal is okay, it's fine, and the negative terminal I ended up reinforcing with some solder and the thick wire. So now nothing is moving, everything is solid. So let me test it out and see how it goes. All right, connecting the power supply, and we can see the red power right there, no problem. Moving it around, everything seems to be solid. Turn it on, turns blue, and it starts up. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button to help me grow my channel. Thanks guys, have a lovely day.